Before printing, we need to make sure all the devices in a same network, like your mobile phone, your printer, and your film cutter need to be the same network. Let's see how to make a customized mobile film with this printer. Okay, let's do the Wi-Fi setting with this cutter. First, enter the setting button, find the Wi-Fi setting, and find the network which is the same as your mobile device. Like here, we have the Huawei P40 Pro. And then enter your password, like click connect. Okay, now let's see how to connect the Wi-Fi with this printer. This button is the setting button. We click here, it shows the Wi-Fi setting, and we click OK. Here is the simple wireless connection. We click next one, it has the manual connection, and we click OK again. It is searching for all the Wi-Fi you have, and choose the one you want, like Huawei P40 Pro, which is the same as your cutter and your mobile devices, and click OK. OK again, and here comes to enter the password. This button is also used to switch your password, like the ladder, and click again. It becomes the number, and then enter your password. When you finish the password, long press the OK button, and it will show the application, and you click OK. It will be connected. OK, we make it, and we click OK, and then we can start the printing function. Okay, next, let's see how to upload your picture. First, choose your model, like Apple. Choose X, and then choose the back film, like here, back cover, and click print. And here comes a QR code, and then we use WeChat to scan the QR code. Select a file from your album, this one, and then click OK, and click Start Uploading. And then the picture will be shown on the screen. You can zoom it in an appropriate size if you like, or you can rotate it. Also, you can add some emojis, like here. It will show on the picture also. If everything is done, you can have it print. And here the green ladder means the printer is successfully connected with the cutter, and then you can click print. Okay, the customized picture finally comes out. Before cutting, we need to put a film on the picture because we can prevent it from the fading out. And then now we put it into the cutter to cut. Now let's stick the film on your mobile device. Okay, now the whole process is finished.